How do I block someone and stop receiving notifications from them on my Android device?
Hello everyone. Are you receiving unwanted notifications from certain apps or people on your Android device? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to cover how to block someone and stop receiving notifications from them on your Android device. Let's dive in.
How to block a contact on your Android device.
You may not know this, but blocking a contact on Android is actually quite straightforward. Here's what you need to do. 1. Open your phone app. 2. Tap on the Contacts tab usually located at the bottom of the screen. 3. Search for the contact you want to block and tap on it. 4. Tap on the three-dotted menu icon typically located at the top right corner of the screen. 5. Choose Block Numbers or Block Contact from the drop-down menu. 6. Confirm that you want to block the contact. Remember, the process may slightly vary depending on your phone manufacturer and the Android version.
How to stop receiving notifications from a specific app.
Tired of those annoying notifications from a specific app? Let's see how to mute them. 1. Open your device's Settings app. 2. Tap on Apps and Notifications or Apps, depending on your device. 3. Find and tap on the app you want to stop receiving notifications from. 4. Tap on Notifications. 5. Switch off Allow Notifications. This will block all the notifications from that specific app. Remember, you can always turn them back on following the same steps.
How to block notifications from a specific person in a messaging app.
Sometimes, you just need to mute a particular person in a messaging app. Here's how you can do that. 1. Open the messaging app where you receive notifications from the person. 2. Find the chat with the person you want to mute. 3. Tap on the chat to open it. 4. Tap on the name or number at the top of the chat. 5. Select Mute Notifications or Mute, depending on the app. 6. Choose the duration for the mute. Some apps may allow you to mute indefinitely. Again, the steps might differ slightly from one app to another. And there you have it. With just a few taps, you've learned how to take control of your Android device by blocking unwanted contacts and muting annoying notifications. We hope this guide has been helpful and has made your Android experience a little more peaceful. As always, feel free to explore and experiment to best suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tech savvy.